shit's hot. I don't know who invented tea with lemon and honey, but I know us Mexicans have been doing it forever.
Wow, you have a unicorn cup?
Yeah, my unicorn cup, it says Yosslin on it. Unfortunately, I got diagnosed with some COVID. The miss over there got tested, what, yesterday?
Tuesday and Wednesday.
Tuesday and Wednesday, so she should be getting her results very soon. But by the looks of it, you know, she got the bug as well. So today, I'm gonna take you guys through like a full day of eating, COVID edition. You know, it's already a late start to the day. It's almost 11 o'clock in the morning because we slept all through the night. I've been feeling pretty sick for the past 2 days, this one being the third day.
Whoa.
So our appetite has been pretty low as of late. In today's full of eating, I'm trying to hit at least maintenance, because when you're sick, you should be eating no less than maintenance. So your body at least has the proper energy for you to recover the best that it could. It sucks, man. I'm used to like being sick once or twice out of the year tops. So me being sick on January 5th or January 6th this early in the year, it's kind of throwing me off my game a little bit. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so it is currently 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Me and Yosslin got up. I just took a shower. I changed. I shaved a little bit. So, you know, when you're feeling a little bit sick and after you get some rest, it's okay to get up, hit the shower, put some fresh clothes on. Sure, it's not gonna get you to 100%, but you'll feel a good 5 to 10% better. And to be honest with you guys, I'm still not hungry. Like, I have no appetite. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna prepare a drink to get some nutrients down, to get some micros in that our body is craving. And I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So we're gonna take us some vitamin D3, 5,000 individual units is the one that you should be taking. We're gonna take some fish oil, turmeric, pomegranate juice powder, beet juice powder. Now, I bought these 3 about a week ago. They came in the mail like a few days ago. I know that fitness, I don't wanna call it health, I wanna call it fitness. I know fitness pretty much promotes, you know, like sleep aids and yohimbein and, you know, fat burners and test boosters and pre-workout and creatine, and I'm all for that. But you have to know what you're buying. This pre-workout here is called a dietary supplement, but in reality, this should be a dietary supplement. This is a dietary supplement. But I love that stuff, don't get it wrong. I love that stuff, but don't think when you drink stuff like that or you take stuff like that, you're getting healthier or you're giving your body stuff that it needs. That's just like a temporary boost for a short period of time. It's just to give you a slight better performance on your workout. When I say slight, I mean exactly that, a slight. So I'm really glad I bought this stuff because it literally came just in time. And it comes with its own scooper. Okay. Now these things do have calories, guys. Like if you see this green powder from Jack Factory, it's not gonna have any calories in it whatsoever. But I also have this other one that I bought from a supplement store, and this has 40 calories per serving. Turmeric has 25 calories per tablespoon. Pomegranate juice powder has 20 calories per scoop. And the beet juice powder has 30 calories per scoop. So if you mix all of it together, you're gonna get pretty much, I'm gonna say this is 40 calories. So it is gonna be a 100-calorie drink. Even pre-workouts don't even have calories in it, but they sure as hell do have calories in it. And it may not be a monumental amount, but a drink that has 100 calories is pretty substantial in my opinion. Does it make a big deal to me? Absolutely not, but it may make a difference to somebody else. Pomegranate juice, beets, half a teaspoon of turmeric. I'm gonna add some lemon in here just for the hell of it. It looks like if you went outside and you grabbed a pile of dirt, stuck it in a jar. Quite many. COVID allows you not to taste anything. So, I mean, everything that I've tried so far, I can kind of taste. It just tastes extremely, extremely bland. I could like just taste a little bit of the citriness of the lemon. Oh. If you're cutting and you get a little bit sick and you think you want to continue with your cut because hashtag aesthetics, health over aesthetics, always. So I'm gonna eat this. It's a turkey sandwich with cheese and like half a bag of hot Cheetos.
Can we go watch Teen Mom?
Watch what?
Teen Mom.
Teen Mom?
Yeah.
There's no way we're gonna watch Teen Mom.
My parents are watching Girls, so Jamie and I can go out.
Alright guys, so it is currently 5:45 in the afternoon. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm getting like a little bit sleepy, so but it's time to eat the next meal. I'm gonna eat this tomorrow. This is like kind of like maruchan or ramen noodles, whatever you want to call it, but there's like the Mexican version, tapatio, you know what I'm saying, tapatio. I gotta give a quick shout out to the suegra. Suegra, shout out to you. She brought caldo de pollo, bro. Now, here in America, we like to give our sick people chicken noodle soup. Now, what caldo de pollo is pretty much chicken noodle soup, but on steroids. This shit has actual chicken inside of it, like this is like the bone. Drives flavor and also nutrients into the broth. It has like actual carrots in here, bro. It has actual potatoes. I'm trying to get one out of here, but like more carrots. A damn corn on the cob in here, bro. Like, I mean, look at this. Look at this. Big old pieces of chicken, like actual pieces of chicken. I don't like to eat soup all the time, but let me show you guys how I'm gonna prepare this. You're gonna take the meat off the bone. You get a little side of rice that comes in the bag. You're gonna dump that in as well. Then you're gonna dunk all that rice into that broth. We're not done yet though. We're gonna grab some limon. You want some?
Oh, right now.
Okay, well, they're gonna be here later. To wash it all down, I'm gonna eat. To wash it all down, I'm gonna drink some. This isn't even Pedialyte, bro. Electrolyte beverage. We do have the 0 calorie one, but it's almost 6 o'clock and I need to catch up on my calories. So I'm going to drink a full calorie one. So it's gonna be 130 calories for this entire thing. This is great flavor. Shout out to my African Americans out there. I'll see you guys on the next meal.